If you're planning a trip and wondering how to easily book fun experiences like tours, theme parks, or transport, then this video is for you. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to book activities on Klook in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Even if you've never used the travel app before, don't worry, you'll be able to follow along easily. To get started, first open the Klook app or visit their website and log into your account. If you're new, just sign up using your email or phone number. It only takes a minute. Once you're inside, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in your destination, like Bangkok, Dubai, or Paris, and select it. After that, you'll see a wide range of activities available in that location, such as sightseeing tours, attraction tickets, airport transfers, and even local experiences. Now, browse through the list and click on the activity you're interested in. When you open it, take your time to read all the important details like what's included, meeting point, duration, cancellation policy, and customer reviews. This helps you avoid confusion later. Once you're sure about the activity, select your travel date, number of people, and any extra options if available. After selecting all the details, tap on the Book Now button. You'll then be taken to the payment page where you can enter your details. Klook supports different payment methods such as debit cards, credit cards, and digital wallets. Choose your preferred method, complete the payment, and confirm your booking. Once your booking is successful, you'll receive a confirmation voucher in the app and on your email. This voucher is very important because you'll need to show it at the activity location. Some vouchers can be used directly from your phone, while others may need to be printed, so always check the instructions carefully. Also, don't forget to check the My Bookings section in the app where all your reservations are stored. You can access your vouchers anytime from there. Plus, keep an eye out for discounts and promo codes on Klook to save money on your bookings. So in short, booking activities on Klook is very simple. Log in, search your destination, choose an activity, select your details, make the payment, and use your voucher. That's all it takes to plan your travel experiences easily. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials like this. See you in the next video.